What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 2019 through 2021 Toyota RAV4s. These RAV4s in particular, a lot of customers been coming in saying they have water coming out of the headliner and the floorboard is stained and the chairs, the whole 9 yards. Let me show you guys the problem with these RAV4s. From the 2019 through 2021 models, you see how the roof panel itself has a cutout that goes straight to the interior of the car. Horrible design, I might add. So this is the roof rail right here. Let me show you guys. Each of those little clips have a little seal on them. Let me show you. And these little seals are supposed to make their way inside of these holes right here. Again, that's a lot of trust Toyota is putting on these little seals, because guess what? When they deteriorate, you get water inside of your car. But the good thing is, if you have a 2022 and up, they changed that design real quick. So that's why you don't see the 2022s experiencing this issue. Let me make my way inside of the vehicle. Let me show you guys. So here's the inside of the vehicle right here. And I'm sorry for the noises in the shop, guys. I can't exactly tell these technicians to keep it down. They're gonna curse me out. So here you go. You see the openings right here? Like I said, bad design. So when the seals on the roof rail itself deteriorate, water actually comes in. And if you look at this clip right here, you can see dirt buildup on the clip itself. Again, telltale sign that water has been making its way in, along with some dirt. You can keep going all the way back. This is on both sides, guys. Let me show you guys the other side. You see that? Same concept. Now let me show you what happens to the headliner. Here's the headliner right here. So over time, you can see how it stains it really bad. So Toyota will have us replace this headliner when it's this bad. If it's not so bad, we can try to clean it and see if we can get away with that. But if the stains are still visible, then we have no choice but to replace it. Go down again, then more water stains. The good thing is Toyota's covering this free of charge, and if you have a 22 and up, 23, 24 model, you don't have to worry about this concern, because those holes on the roof are sealed. You can see right here more evidence of where the water was entering and then running down and then making its way down the A-pillar and then on your floorboard. So this is obviously the roof rail clip seal that was causing the problem. If we look, same thing on the other side. So in this case right here, this customer will be getting a brand new headliner. When you start seeing the blue stains and these reddish stains, there's nothing you can do with the headliner. You have no choice but to replace it at this point. And these roof rails, assembly themselves, they're very costly, guys. So Toyota is not actually replacing the roof rail assembly. All you're getting is these individual clips. Unless when we're removing them, the roof rail breaks, and that's the only time we're allowed to submit a authorization repair to get these roof rails assembly replaced. So Toyota doesn't want us to do that. So for this instance right here, this piece should have been attached right here. And then it goes on the roof of the car like that. But again, you see how much trust Toyota has to put on these roof rail clips to keep water out. I don't know what they were thinking, but there's no way that would work for 100,000+ miles. Ain't no way. Let's take a look inside of the work that's involved in repairing this vehicle. So obviously we got to drop the headliner. But on the RAV4s, it's very easy. It's not like the headliners on Toyotas are complicated. I mean, you could get one of these out in 20 minutes, especially if you've done a few already. So it's very easy. So if you have one of these 19 through 2021 Toyota RAV4s and you're experiencing this concern and you're thinking about bringing it in, at least you have a little bit of a heads up as to what we're gonna do and what the process is like. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.